Have you ever walked into a home and felt instantly grounded, as if the walls themselves carried warmth? Where aged textures hold stories, where sunlight glows softly across raw wood, where even a tiny courtyard feels like a retreat you've known forever. There's something timeless about rustic design, a feeling of comfort that asks for nothing but gives so much. And in 2026, this warm, earthy style is returning in a beautiful new way. Because luxury doesn't always shine. Sometimes it feels handmade, simple and quietly sincere. Modern rustic homes are redefining budget design this year. People are choosing natural materials, imperfect textures, and DIY-friendly ideas that create depth without draining the wallet. Small courtyards are becoming the heart of the home, little outdoor rooms where stone, wood and greenery come together in warm harmony. And small yards, once overlooked, are being transformed with clever privacy tricks that feel high-end, but cost very little. It's a shift toward authenticity, a blend of earthy comfort and modern practicality. And in spaces like these, life feels slower, softer and beautifully lived in. Before we continue, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, a place where modern ideas meet cozy, intentional living. Here, we explore small home inspirations, DIY garden transformations, and design trends that make everyday living feel peaceful and beautiful. If you love discovering stylish yet budget-friendly ways to elevate your space, we'd love for you to join our community. Now, let's explore how rustic charm and smart design can turn even the smallest outdoor space into something unforgettable. The rustic aesthetic of 2026 begins with natural textures. Weathered wood, textured stone, raw clay, matte finishes. Raw clay, matte finishes. These materials create that warm, grounded feeling the rustic style is loved for. Even on a budget, you can bring these textures alive with simple touches. A wooden bench made from reclaimed planks, a clay pot with herbs, a textured throw over a rattan chair, or a stone path laid by hand. Rustic design celebrates imperfections, knots in the wood, uneven tones, natural fibres, all the things that make a home feel real. And when sunlight hits these surfaces, the space feels instantly cosy, honest, and lived in. Courtyards take centre stage in this trend. A small courtyard doesn't need much to feel magical, just balance. A rustic wall in warm earth tones, a few potted plants arranged at different heights, a pebble floor, and soft seating can create a space that feels like an escape. Hanging lanterns or soft string lights add warmth at night, while small leafy plants like rosemary, olive bushes, or dwarf palms bring a Mediterranean touch. The charm comes from simplicity, keeping the courtyard functional, welcoming, and naturally textured. It becomes a peaceful pocket of nature at the heart of the home. Privacy, especially in small yards, is one of the biggest concerns in compact homes. And 2026 embraces budget-friendly DIY privacy hacks that look high-end. One popular idea is using tall planters with climbing vines. As the plants grow, they create a living wall that softens noise and adds lush greenery. Another trending option is bamboo, affordable, fast-growing, and perfect for creating a natural rustic screen. Even wooden slats or thin pergola panels placed strategically can block views without closing off light or air. These elements create privacy that feels organic instead of heavy or artificial. Natural pathways are also returning as a rustic favourite. Simple gravel trails, uneven stone slabs, or layered mulch walkways add charm while being affordable and easy to install. They guide the eye through the space, making even a small yard look longer and more inviting. Pair them with soft plant beds, garden lights, or small ceramic accents, and your yard turns into a rustic sanctuary. A single, well-placed lamp near a courtyard bench can make the entire space feel intentional and serene. Rustic design loves warm tones, warm textures and warm light, and this combination creates an instant sense of luxury. Lighting is where the rustic look becomes truly luxurious, even on a small budget. Soft amber lighting brings richness that fresh paint alone can't provide. Simple lanterns, string lights or ground lights placed behind plants create glowing silhouettes that feel warm and cinematic. The best part of budget rustic design is its emotional quality. A rustic home feels welcoming because it isn't perfect, it's personal. Handmade items, DIY upgrades and repurposed materials create a sense of comfort that expensive decor sometimes can't. It's the feeling of a home shaped slowly, intentionally, with care. A place where evenings feel quiet, mornings feel fresh, and the little courtyard outside becomes your favourite room. As the day fades and warm light glows across the rustic textures of your courtyard, you realise something beautiful. Luxury was never about price. It was about atmosphere. About the warmth of wood beneath your hand, the scent of herbs in a clay pot, the shelter of a simple gate that gives you privacy and peace. Thank you for spending this time here today. If this journey inspired you, stay with us as we continue exploring homes that breathe comfort, texture, and calm beauty. Because the most luxurious homes aren't built with money. They're built with warmth, intention, and the small details that make life feel whole.